Hello, friends. I want to ask how to surface meaning, how to surface meaning inside this face, uh, inside this green face and yellow and pink and green face inside this. How do you how do you surface meaning? Finish me all inside the face. I use the this 3D step, but the result is not so perfect. I want to ask you how you service mirror inside this face. Can you give me one example? Thank you so much. As use the local operation and 3x desk is the better, but I don't know how to use. Can you teach me? Thank you so much.